This is QuickTime Technology, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to download uTorrent, another peer-to-peer sharing application facility that can be used to download information, upload information. So without further ado, let us start the video. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is go to a web browser, in this case Safari, and now type into Google uTorrent download for Mac and click the first link. And now we can go to the download now button. So the DMG file has been downloaded. Minimize this, and this is the license agreement. Click on agree. That's finished. Now we can click this and drag it into the applications. So click on U, and there it is, uTorrent. Close this, eject that, and wait for it to eject. And now go to Launchpad, click on uTorrent. Is an application downloaded from the internet. Sure you want to open it? Absolutely yes, open. And there you go, we have uTorrent downloaded on our Mac. Close this. Yes, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for now.